Life keeps us busy. Let's make it simpler. Much better, don't you think? Let's try that again. So clean and simple. Can't find what you're looking for? You know what to do. Here's Simplicity by Kerr. We have SimpliShade, a universal composite which covers all 16 Vita classical shades with just 3 shades. OptiBond Universal, a one-bottle universal adhesive for direct and indirect applications. And Maxcem Elite Universal Resin Cement, which can be used as a self-adhesive cement or as an adhesive cement when paired with any leading universal bonding agent like OptiBond Universal. 3 trusted brands designed to help you streamline your inventory and workflow, so you can spend more time with your patients. See, isn't that better? To learn more, go to go.kerrdental.com/simplicity.